Hey guys, what's up? This is Ahmed and you're watching AK Tectonic. In this video, I'm going to do a review of iPad and its unboxing as well as its comparison with iPad Air and iPad Pro. So without any further delay, let's bang it. This one is a basic 32GB Wi-Fi iPad 7th generation and it costs around 525 AUD. In the box you get a manual 10-watt charger and a charging cable. iPad has a A10 Fusion chip, whereas iPad Air has a A12 Bionic chip. Also, iPad comes with a 10.2 inches Retina display, whereas iPad Air comes with 10.5 inches Retina display with True Tone. The build quality of iPad Pro is very premium, and the price starts from $1,200 for 11 inches and $1,500 AUD for 12.9 inches. Both iPad Pros comes with a ProMotion technology and a True Tone display. Both of them has a Face ID and a same A12X Bionic chip with neutral engine. Both iPad Pros are compatible with second generation Apple Pencil, whereas iPad and iPad Air is not compatible with second generation Apple Pencil. When it comes to iPad Pro 12.9 inches, it can easily replace your laptop and it looks quite bigger and much beautiful. If you are a student and you are looking to replace your textbook with something digital, then I prefer you to go for iPad. Note taking experience is improved a lot with the use of this Apple first generation pencil. iPad 7 comes with a 10.2 inches screen. It has a smart keyboard connector on the left side, and on the right side it has a volume up and a volume down button. On the bottom it has speakers and a charging terminal. This iPad 7 runs the same iPad OS 13 as the iPad Pro with hand-by features such as split screen functionality. But if you are looking to replace your laptop with this iPad for carrying heavy tasks such as designing or video editing, then I don't prefer you this one. It is better choice to go with the laptops, premium heavy laptops. The touch of the pencil is very smooth, and this iPad comes with various pre-installed apps, and in order to download apps you can go to Apple Store and you can download any of the app, but most of the apps are paid one. So the best apps for taking notes is Notability and a GoodNote 5. GoodNote 5 price is around 12.5 AUD. As you can see here, you can take notes very easily and in a very good manner. Whereas when it comes to Notability, it is priced around 13.5 AUD and it is also a good application for taking notes. I have to do a comparison in future of these two apps in order to find the best one, and I am still confused between these. There is also a free app named as Notes in iPad, and you can take notes with the help of these for free. It has also got some basic features such as pens, and you can select between different colors. When it comes to GoodNote 5, it has 3 pen options. You can select between different colors, you can select different sizes of pen, and the writing on this app feels very smooth. And it also has a shape tool. You can draw any of the shape very easily, such as circles or rectangles or squares. And it also has a lasso tool, and you can select any of the writing on your canvas and you can resize it, delete it, and with the help of eraser, there is an eraser option and you can erase anything, which is pretty basic. It also has a highlighter, so you can highlight your text whichever you want while taking notes. And this is also one more highlighter in this, and you can select anything while explaining this, and it fades up once you remove your pen tip. When it comes to drawing or writing with these pencils, there are only a few basic techniques you need to know before you can start mastering your new tool, Apple Pencil. When it comes to drawing with Apple Pencil, it stands out from the rest of the stylus crowd for a number of reasons, and it works with Apple Display to create low latency brush strokes. The speakers of this iPad is not very loud but are rich in tone. Overall, this iPad has a decent screen, especially for the price. It's colorful and vibrant and offering excellent viewing angles too. I feel the camera of iPad is very basic and it is better to not expect much from it. So that's all in this video guys. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel AK Tectonic. Thanks for watching.